Hi, it's good to see everyone today. My name is Shilpa Reddy, and along with my colleague Stephanie Luongo at the National Education Association, we are helping with this work from the Center for Racial and Social Justice. And as Jesse had mentioned, our colleague Miguel Gonzalez will be leading with Jesse the media training that's going to be coming up in the next couple of weeks. But in the meantime, Deborah has collected so many great resources, including some of the resources that we have been able to contribute around some messaging and how to engage some, folks around different events and actions and social media and digital toolkits. Some people's day of action might just be they and their family, taking a walks at a park with the frames that they make around Teach Truth, and just posting those to social media with the hashtag freedom to learn and teach truth. And that in of itself is an action and is something that tells you and your community and your social network that you are a part of this. And we just want to stress that no matter how big or small these events are, they are events and actions, and it is growing this movement. And so we'll be around with Carrie Ann and others as we have, if folks have questions that come through Deborah or Jesse that we can be helpful on, and then just getting resources out to folks. And then the last thing I'll say is we want to tell this story after June 10th, because this is not all going to be ending at June 10th. Obviously, we know this. We've been doing this for several years. So as Deborah and Jesse figure out how to collect stories from folks and photos and things like that, we want to be able to uplift those stories to inspire folks beyond June, because we're going into the summer, we're going back into, we're going to be in an election season next year, we're going to be going back to school, and folks are still going to be facing a lot of these issues. And we want to tell the stories of the uplifting and inspiring stories that that people aren't alone, whether you're in Iowa City or Washington, D.C. or Memphis, Tennessee, that people are in communities and are in community doing this work. So thank you, Deborah and Jesse and your whole team for working on this. And we really are excited about being a part of it. Thanks.